It's new technology, it's the wave of the future. There's going to be a lot of jobs coming out of this, and I think that this is very good information to have for the future.
They want to go into precision agriculture, they want to use it for construction inspection. I mean, there's so many different ways you can utilize drone technology based on what kind of payload we put on the bottom of the drone.
For you to really stand out and make money and get a career with drones, you really need to do more than just be able to take pictures or fly a drone. You need to be able to do the analysis.
It's really been interesting to see the correlation come together between the two classes, because now we get to see all the images we captured with the drones taken to the next level and actually processed and turned into a product.
What we're going to try and do is train you into how you can make a living wage using drone technology in various industry sectors.